Now Alex will be bending the piece that he's cut to match the piece that we removed from the car. Now Alex is going to be putting a bend in the piece. This is the piece that replaces the fender lip, and he'll, it's kind of tough with a curved piece like this, but he'll be knocking it over to get a good 90-degree bend in the piece to reproduce the edge of the fender. It's kind of a frustrating job to get something like this perfect. You kind of wish there was a tool you could just say, here, make it look like this, but it really is just putting it in the vise, banging on it, cutting it a little bit, bending it with your fingers, and getting it as good as you can.